The ANC Youth League is totally behind the lifestyle audit of public representatives, senior government officials, or any other individual whom our law enforcement institutions believe should be audited. Legitimate law enforcement institutions should be empowered to audit individuals who accumulate wealth in a manner that cannot be explained. This should, however, happen to all people, not selected individuals who are audited in order to satisfy narrow factional politics and ambitions. We wish to put the record straight and clarify all the allegations because there is nothing to hide. Since my election as president of the ANC Youth League in 2008, I instructed my lawyers to process my resignation from all corporations and companies I was involved in when I was based in Limpopo province. Contrary to all the media reports, the property I own as an individual is being financed by banks in South Africa, and a monthly deduction is made from my salary to pay for the bond. I've never bought any house for cash because I'm not in a position to do that. I currently own one car, Mercedes-Benz C63. I never engaged in any illegal tender awarding process, as I've never occupied any position in government, both as a public representative or public servant. The salary that African National Congress gives me is way above 20,000, but will not disclose the exact amount because the contract I've signed with the ANC does not allow me to disclose my salary. As an individual, I take serious exception for being audited by the media institution through spreading of lies and rumors. Spreading lies and rumors that I have millions put both me and my family in danger, as criminals might believe the lies and resort to criminal victimization against myself and my family with the hope that I have money. I will take legal action against the Star newspaper and consider doing the same with other newspapers. Even the taxman has got a right to audit me, not you. You must be audited, all of you, including Pete Rampe. Because you are receiving brown envelopes and you think we don't know that you are being bribed. We know who's bribing you. It's just a matter of time. We're going to lock you up just after receiving a brown envelope. We're going to arrest you. And we know some of you here, the people you are sleeping with, unethical journalism, sleeping with politicians for you to get information. We know who drinks with who where. These journalists who come here, others are just journalists of political parties and journalists of factions. And they are abusing their space in the newspapers, including in Business Day in particular, to further the interest of a certain faction in the ANC. Will not engage in unethical arrangements with you for you to report positive about us, like you did nicely today in the front page of the Star. There's no problem. We see, at least we see where you stand. We know where you stand. So I will not be shaken today by 140 million. For your record, Pete, I've never seen a million with my naked eye. And neither did I see a bank balance of a million in my life. I've never seen a million. You come here, you make an allegation that I've got 140 million. These cars I drive, they belong to comrades. I drive Pule Mabe's car, I drive Andile's car, I drive anybody's car, depending on the type of occasion I'm going to attend. If I go into villages, we'll ask for a 4x4. Sometimes the ANC Youth League hires cars for us. And at times, I arrive with people in events. I can drive with SG. But if you don't know SG, because you undermine people, you are going to report that that is my car. You look at people and just conclude this one can't have this car, is this one. You are undermining people. Like any other working youth, I own a house and a car. I'm not drinking my salary in shebins. I'm investing this salary where it is necessary. You should be proud that we are not this irresponsible youth which has got no place to stay, which can't show anything even when it has been working for 6-7 years. If you want to see people who are playing with money, go to Santain, next to Ennis Free Park, every Sunday. You will see the best sports cars there. They are driven by white kids and there is no corruption because they are white. If they were to be driven by any African child, all of them, they will be investigated. All of them, they will be in front pages. You don't want a black diamond to shine. That's what you are opposed to. Any black diamond that has got a potential to shine, you are destroying it. You will never succeed with us.